Welcome back in the kitchen again, guys. It's Chef Ricardo cooking show. We and the team working so hard to give you your favorite drink, your favorite food, your favorite soup. Today's menu is a chicken soup twist. I know you guys are gonna say, oh, he did it one before. No! This one is a new brand recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. If you watch the video, then you will see exactly what Chef Ricardo is talking about. Anyway, it is a flavor chicken soup, so enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and it's a Caribbean twist. I learned this one in England and I twist it up. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot more recipe coming up for you. And we want to say thank you so much. It's just brilliant every day we go. Alright, see you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. So welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. We're going to give you a nice, lovely chicken soup for rainy day. Basically, I did a chicken video before, and you know what I mean, and I look back again and I said, no, I can do my chicken soup this kind of way also. Look at this. First thing, you need a medium-sized pot on the stove like this one, which I have right here. Make your water start to boil. I have roughly almost half pot of water, not really half pot, but almost. I just peel 1 kilo of pumpkin, and I'm gonna pop it straight inside of it. That's the pumpkin. And I cut them up very small. So that's 1 kilo of pumpkin, which should have worked out to 1 pound of pumpkin. Nice. Then next, look at this. That's the pumpkin, yeah? So just cover this for a second. I'm gonna make you a nice, lovely chicken soup. This one is different. Nice one. So I just put in the pumpkin, and now we're gonna put in 1 kilo of chicken, cut up into curry style. So the pumpkin is inside and the chicken is inside. Then cover it and leave that for a nice good 10 minutes for it to start to boil up on a high temperature. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, this is roughly about 15 minutes now since the chicken and the pumpkin been boiling. So basically what I'm gonna do is just add I got some carrot and potato which I cut up earlier. I'm gonna just add it to it. That's the carrot and potato. Then I have some dumpling which I made earlier. I'm gonna make some dumpling like this. It's lovely soup. If you don't know how to make the dumpling, I'm gonna put the link below and you will see how to make Jamaican dumpling. Alright? Nice and lovely. So I just finished the dumpling, put them in the soup. So basically what we're gonna do now, I just peel some green banana. Remove the skin from the green banana, guys. You can get green banana at local shop or supermarket. About 3 fingers, that's 1 finger. That's 2 fingers. 3 fingers of green banana, and also some ripe plantain. Some ripe plantain. I'm gonna put 2 fingers of ripe plantain inside of it. That's lovely. Give it a stir. got some white onion which I did cut up earlier. I'm going to put a handful of it inside of it. That's some white onion. This one. Give it a stir. Looking good so far. Little bit of coarse pepper, not too much. Tablespoon of chicken season. Some chicken seasoning to give it some flavor in it. And in the meantime, I'm gonna get some spring onion and thyme. Nice. So, some fresh thyme. Scotch bonnet pepper. Make sure it not bursts. Some garlic. With 2 stalks of spring onion and put in it, give it some flavor. What we're going to do next, cock soup. Give it a lot of flavor. We're going to put one of these in it. That's the cock soup. And this one is the pumpkin flavor one. So it's 2 packs. Just a few things left to go inside of it, guys. Put a few whole grain pepper. But that's it for the time being. And a pinch of salt, not too much. Give it a stir. So that looks sexy. Yes. This is Jamaican original soup from Chef Ricardo. So that look nice. Cover it and let it make it boil for another 15 minutes. Alright? Medium size heat. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. You know, about 28 to 30 minutes now since the soup is on the fire. Cook, boil everything, prepare everything. 30 minutes. So basically, as you can see, exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about when we say we're making a special chicken soup. Look at the soup. Look at the thickness of it. So what we want to do, we want to shear it out and make you can see exactly, because this is finished. Once you get this rich thickness, that's it. You don't need to go any further with it. So we're going to shear it out now and make you guys can see exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. Some people might say, oh, it's the same thing. This is a different kind of chicken soup, guys. As you can see exactly how I make this one. Different one. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. You can make this anytime. Thank you so much. So as you can see, I just sheared it out. And this is the way the soup look. Looking so lovely and nice. So hopefully you guys will like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments. And this is the fantastic flavor chicken soup from Chef Ricardo. New recipe, new ideas, new style, new ways, and you can do this one at home because it's very easy and simple to prepare. So thank you so much and see you next time with Chef Ricardo flavor chicken soup with veg. Enjoy the recipe and see you next time.